Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will help others just like yourself be able to find my videos and my channel. I had this black picture frame that didn't have a back to it, so I decided to create this Joy Christmas hanging. This can be hung on a wall or a door. I got this Joy cutout in a craft haul from Facebook Marketplace. I used black chalk paint and painted the word, making sure I also got the edges of the wood, both the inside and out. I set the word to the side to dry and started working on the frame. I used white chalk paint and painted the entire frame, making sure I got the side and the inside edge of the frame. It took 2 coats of paint to cover this black frame. I used my hot air gun between coats and after the second coat to dry it quicker. I wanted the frame to have an old rustic look. I used a sanding block from Dollar Tree and sanded the frame until it looked the way I liked, making sure I got the inside and the outside edge also. I figured out where I wanted the wording to go on the frame and used my hot glue gun to glue the word into place. I tried to make sure any part of the word that touched the frame was glued down. I painted the word with Mod Podge to seal it, and of course used my hot air gun to dry the Mod Podge quicker. I was going to use this buffalo ribbon and make my own bow for the frame, but as you know, I can't for the life of me figure out how to tie a cute bow. So instead, I used this pre-made bow from Dollar Tree. If I ever learn how to tie a cute bow, I'll replace this bow with it. Use my hot air gun and put the ribbon where it was going to be touching the frame. I turned the frame over and measured in 1 inch on both sides. I wanted to attach nautical rope to the frame for it to hang from. I glued the rope onto the frame and then used a small piece of ribbon and glued it on top of the rope just to make sure it was secure. And this is what it looked like when I finished. I think this frame turned out amazing and will be perfect for my wall in the living room. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So hit the bell notification to be notified when I upload a new video. Merry Christmas! And as always, thanks for watching.